Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, joining our Yu-Gi-Oh! Homescreen setups with a score of over 11,000 is the darker side of the King of Games. From Season 0, I bring you Yami Yugi, with the embers of the Shadow Realm seeping through. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So here he is, on a moonlit backdrop, Season 0's Darker Yami. Now with this setup, I've leaned into the reds of the wallpaper, matching it across the icons as well as the widgets, going for an uncluttered yet functional look, with a standout music widget at the bottom of the screen and at the top a date and time indicator. A simple home screen setup, perfect for you beginners out there. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge-to-edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. And to get this comfy icon layout, make sure to head to Nova's home screen settings and change the grid size to 5 across and 12 down. And to really clean up your home screen, I highly recommend you turn off icon labels, decrease your icon size, as well as disabling your home screen dock. Now that we have that out the way, the icon pack that we're using in this setup to match the red of Yugi's hair is the Luxe Red Pack. Just simply head to Nova's look and feel section and set the pack as your system icons. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this unique wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure to let me know from right within the app itself and boost the ones that you want to see next. Next up, these awesome KWGT widgets. But before we get into them, we need to make sure that we enable Widget Overlapping. You can find this at the bottom of Nova Launcher's home screen section. Just simply make sure to enable both of these options here. Now that we have that out the way, the first KWGT widget of the setup, this bold date and time widget, courtesy of the Watermelon Pack, Widget 20. So let's start by loading in the KWGT layout to our home screen, and then we want to resize it so it looks something like this. And to push our widget right up against the home screen margin, long press it and toggle the padding option. Now with this widget, we're first going to start by adjusting its size. For this, we want to first head into the layer tab, after which just simply use the scale option to adjust the widget to a size that's suitable for your screen. Now all that's left is to recolor the widget. For this, from on the item list, using the plus button in the top right corner, we're going to add in a new shape item. Head into it and then start maxing out its size so it fills up all of our canvas. After this, using the paint tab, simply apply the color code on screen. And finally, change its filter from normal to multiply. And don't forget to hit save before you leave. Now for the second widget of the setup, this color themed music player. From the mini music player pack is Widget 89. So let's start once more by loading in a KWGT layout to our home screen, and then we want to resize it so it looks something like this. And because it is covering our app icons, we want to make sure to long press it and select the option to send it to the back. Now for most of you, once you've loaded in the widget within KWGT, you're not going to have to make any adjustments at all. However, if you do want to adjust its size, feel free to do that within the layer tab. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex Installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with the colors of the theme splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.